Hi, I'm Lily, a housewife. Welcome to my daily vlog, where I've turned our daily homemaking into an art form. Every day I wake up at 5. I know, it's early, but I love these quiet moments before the house wakes up. I will enjoy a cup of tea. First, I boil fresh water. Next, I put my favorite tea leaves into the infuser. Then, I pour the hot water and let it steep for 3 minutes. Finally, I remove the infuser and add a little milk. Ah, this tea is perfect. So warm and quiet. Honestly, my favorite part of the morning. This is the best part of the day. So peaceful and quiet. Now, let's get breakfast ready. John and Emma will be up in a few minutes, so I'm moving fast. I'm moving fast. I hope you both enjoy the eggs. I made them just the way you like them.
Thank you, honey. It's the perfect start to a busy day.
Yum! Thanks, Mom. See? Such a peaceful morning. These small, happy moments are the reason I love being a homemaker. I hope you're having a lovely morning, too.
Okay, we are leaving now. Have a wonderful day, honey.
Bye-bye, Mommy. See you later. After breakfast, I find washing dishes very calming. It's just a quiet moment to tidy up and prepare for the day. Let's get this laundry started. Laundry used to feel endless, but now I see it as an act of care for my family. Folding everything while listening to music is very relaxing. Keeping a tidy space helps clear your mind. Let's fill our home with positive energy.
I'm making a delicious stir-fry for lunch. Emma will be home from school soon, so I want to make sure it's ready for her. Lunch is almost ready. It's such a busy day, but I'm making sure everything is prepared just in time.
Don't try to clean the whole house at once. Just focus on one small area, like the dining table or the kitchen counter.
Please remember to take a deep breath and be kind to yourself. You deserve to take a moment to celebrate all your hard work.
Being outside with my plants is so grounding. It's my quiet time to connect with nature.
I love ending the day by writing down 3 things I'm grateful for. It helps me appreciate the small, happy moments.
Join me as we find the magic, peace, and thrill in every chore.